16, principles of account, past question number 30. Use the information below to answer question 30. We are giving lighting 2925 naira, rent 2640 naira, salary 4050 naira. The expenses are for the three different products. The products are Zema, Zeta, and Zara. They are apportioned on the basis of production. 4,500 units of the products are produced, out of which 1260 and 2060 units are for Zema and Zata respectively. The question now is find the salary charged to Zara products. So to find the salary charged products, first of all we need to get Zara's outputs, Zara's products units. Okay, so to get Zara's product unit we have to do total output. Total output is 4,500 units. For Zema, her output is 1260. For Zeta, her output is 2060. If we add this together we have 3320. So we subtract it from the total units. This will give us 1180. This is for Zara's units. Now to get Zara's share of salary, Zara's share of salary will be equals to Zara's output, which is 180, over the total units, which is 4,500 units, times salary. Salary is naira 4050 over 1. So this will be equals to naira 1062. Option D is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.